Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Math Problems number 148.
Math Problems 148. We were running a little low on time this morning, so I hope 148 is right. So today this whole week, we're actually going to talk about dividing decimals. So we have our example to start off is 3.2 divided by 0.5. Okay. All right.
Yep.
But we feel pretty good about dividing normal integers, right?
Yeah.
So maybe this shouldn't be so hard. Let me ask you: does anything in here look familiar?
Well, you could do 30. You could shift over a decimal place.
Okay, and what would that look like?
32 divided by 5.
All right, so 32 divided by 5, maybe that could look like. Maybe those are related somehow or other. Do either of these decimals look familiar to you? 3.2 or 0.5?
Well, I think that's a half.
Ah, okay. Maybe this is 3.2 divided by 1/2.
Well, if maybe we could just divide the decimals if we could figure out this one, what that one was. But that might be a little hard to figure out what that was.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe we could figure out what 3.2 is. Actually, you know what? I think that's later on in the section is about decimals and fractions. But you knew what 0.5 was. Do you remember how you divide by a half?
I think you multiply by 2.
Ah, interesting. So this should be 3.2 times 2, which you know is
6.4.
6.4. Interesting.
And now
Let's see what this is. 32 divided by 5.
32 divided by 5, so I think it's 6 remainder 2.
Huh.
That-
Those look similar. They both start with a 6.
Yeah, but this one has a 4 and that one has a 2.
Good point. Good point. But why would they even be close to each other? Why would 3.2 divided by 0.5 looks like it might be the same as 32 divided by 5?
Well, you were multiplying by 10 over 10.
Interesting. Okay. 3.2 over 0.5 times 10 over 10 equals 32 divided by 5. Now, so why is this the same as this? Why is
Because
this?
10 over 10 is 1.
Ah, so you just multiply by 1. Huh. So now it's just a question of understanding what remainder 2 means.
Remainder 2 means 32 would go into 30.
5 would go into 30.
Yeah, 5 would go into 30.
And we would have 2 fifths.
Yeah, 2 left over.
But 2 fifths left over. 2 1/5 left
Yeah.
over.
Interesting.
Interesting. I wonder what 1/5 equals as a decimal.
1/5, maybe it's 0.2.
How many tenths is 1/5?
1/5 is 2 tenths.
What would 2 tenths be as a decimal?
2 tenths as a decimal would be like, I think it would be 1, it would be 0.2.
0.2. So I wonder what 2 fifths equals.
Maybe 0.2 fifths is twice this.
So how many tenths?
4 tenths. And 0.4.
Okay. So 6 plus 2 fifths is 6.4,
Which is equal to that.
which is equal to that. Now, this all seems very complicated, right? It's lots of going all over the place.
Yeah.
But what we're going to learn in this section about dividing decimals is it's exactly the same
Whoa.
as dividing regular integers.
Wow.
Exactly the same. All right, but this is actually a fun little start. I wanted to start with a decimal that you recognized. 0.5 was equal to?
1.
All right, good job this morning, hun. Good job. Hopefully we squeezed it in.